Do you have any frameworks or techniques you think about to sustain that open mind, to sustain that, continuous improvement mindset, not just in part delivery, but in every aspect of the business?
I'm actually going through that right now. So with our business development manager that just started, we had, he actually trained me 13 years ago at GE Aviation. We both started our career as manufacturing quality engineers, and we've always had the relationship together. He ended up going to another aerospace company for the past 8 years. And then I was like, hey, let's try to make this work together. So he came in and he's like, well, Brittany, operations, let's think back to our GE days. And he'd, bring up these things. I'm like, at first I was kind of like, whoa, I'm doing it this way. And then I was like, wait a minute. And it's the conversations that you have with yourself in your head that remind you, I got to listen, I have to take input from other people. I'm not going to make all the right decisions, and there's going to be great ideas that get brought to me. So I think it's the conversations in your head with yourself, you look at yourself in the mirror at the end of the day and say, all right, did I have a good day? Was I successful? Did I listen? And that's been a work in progress with me, is listening, from all aspects of life, honestly. Listen to your kids, listen to your spouse, listen to, the people that are around you. And all of them are interchangeable with one another.